This is a section on determinants and Kramer's rule. And so here's the determinant. And I actually had to look it up to get across what a determinant is. It's kind of interesting. So here, if you look at Wikipedia, which is echoed by other websites too, it pretty much say, hey, it's a volume scale, volume of this box that you make with a matrix in three-dimensional space. And then they have some other important stuff here where they're talking about polynomials, characteristic polynomials, eigenvalues, things like that. So far out mathematics to some point. And then actually here, they're pretty much using determinants to figure out what Kramer's rule is, which I will define in a moment as well. So determinant of a square matrix. Notice that only square matrices are working. And the determinant will come out to an integer number, could be positive or negative. And the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix is really simple. Multiply the two diagonals. So these two numbers, and then these two numbers with each other, but put a negative in front of it. And that's what they show here. One diagonal minus the other diagonal. Okay. So example, these numbers here would be negative 3 times 6, which is negative 18. This one is 4 times negative 2, which is negative 8. But put a minus in front, so it's going to be negative 18 minus negative 8, which is negative 10, and indeed there's the result. Evaluate this one. 2 times negative 7 is negative 14. 5 times negative 13 is negative 15, but subtract that from negative 14, so you actually come up with 1 as the determinant for this one. Okay, then they're going to get into more complicated ones, such as what happens when you have 3 by 3 or 4 by 4 matrices. And this is where you have to deal with minors and cofactors. So here is what it is. Here's the example. So let's see, actually, if that's the example that I want. Let me see. Yeah, let's do this one. So here the determinant of this one comes out at the end to negative 34. And here's what's happening. You look at one of the rows, doesn't matter which one, they usually choose the first one. And then they say, okay, this is the minor, the 0 here. The 0 is multiplied by the determinant of these other ones here that are not in the same row or column. So I multiply here, I subtract and multiply by 0. Obviously, that is 0. It's right here. Okay. Then I'm going to choose this one here. This is my next minor. So 1 times the determinant of these 4 numbers. So the 4 numbers that are not in the same row or column. So negative 2 times negative 1, which is positive 2. 7 times 4, which is 28. Subtract that, which is negative 26. But then they're saying, this was on the previous page, that this second one actually takes a negative in the front. So it's negative 26, which you see here as positive 26. And then the third one would be 3 times the determinant of these 4 here. So that's obviously 0 right here. This is 20, but it's a negative. So negative 20 times 3 is negative 60, which you see right here, and then you add the 3 and you come up with negative 34. What's the meaning of it? Well, I showed you that earlier a little bit on Wikipedia. What I'm actually going to spare you is Kramer's rule. And as a math teacher, when you get into this one here, it looks really complicated. Why are we doing that? In fact, again, I had to look it up. It's basically dividing two determinants by each other. So determine a determinant and then the x and the y and the z determinant and come up with the values. So I looked that up too, and I came up with this one for the explanation for Kramer's rule, which says, given a system of linear equations, Kramer's rule is a handy way to solve for just one of the variables without having to solve the whole system of equations. So that especially becomes important if you have like 5 variables with 5 equations and you only need to figure out one of them. So anyway, I just showed you how to do the determinant, and as I said, I spared you Kramer's rule. So here's the determinant actually. All right, that's it for this chapter because I'm going to skip the other 2 sections.